Keeping kids healthy isn't just about how we move our bodies, it's also about how we feed our bodies. And one of the most effective ways to get kids to eat vegetables is to get them involved in gardening. It's not always easy to keep them motivated, so today I'm going to share my 5 easy tips for family gardening. My first tip is to get your kids to help with the planning process. Whether it's where to put the gardens or what to put in the gardens, kids will love being part of the process. So what vegetables do you like to grow? What are your favorite vegetables to grow?
I like cucumbers and I like lettuce and tomatoes and stuff.
What vegetables would you like to grow?
I like to grow tomato and lollipop and apples, bananas and kiwis and apples and oranges and bananas.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah.
Would you like to grow some carrots?
Yes, I do.
And would
But
you?
carrots are not the best. But they are kind of vegetable.
Take me down where the garden's growing. Grandpa digs and Grandma's sowing. Fruits and veggies, weed is in the barn. Always plenty of time to play. Ride a tractor in the sun all day. Life is always sweet on Grandpa's farm.
Let's be honest, working in the hot sun can sometimes get tiring. So what I like to do is I help my kids to focus on the outcomes. Why are we doing this? What are we going to be achieving at the end? What are the exciting things that we're looking forward to? And that helps make the work go by a little faster.
So, you looking forward to having a vegetable garden?
Yes, I am.
Why do you like having a vegetable garden?
Well, it's nice to have fresh vegetables to make for dinner and to snack on. If my parents were to tell me to go outside, then I just sit at the garden and start eating. So I really love having a garden.
Do you like having a vegetable garden?
Oh yeah.
Any happy memories from your younger years of gardening?
Going outside and seeing Jason sitting in the garden eating lettuce.
Hey, that was my memory too!
Tip number 3 is find age-appropriate tasks for your kids. From the youngest to the oldest, there's always jobs that you can find.
Take me down where the garden's growing. Grandpa digs and Grandma's sowing. Fruits and veggies, weed is in the barn. Always plenty of time to play. Ride a tractor in the sun all day. Life is always sweet on Grandpa's farm.
Normally when we have vegetable gardens and stuff, then we paint rocks, like, as the different vegetables. Like, let's say we had a lettuce, like, plant of lettuce, then we'd have a rock with lettuce painted on it beside the lettuce so we knew what vegetable it was. I'm doing carrots. I'm doing lettuce.
Broccoli, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. A bio makes a rainbow.
So this carrot is trying to pull this carrot out of the ground.
Carrots helping carrots.
Tip number 4, don't forget to take frequent water breaks, freezy breaks. There's nothing better than a cold popsicle on a hot sunny day.
Take me down where the garden's growing. Grandpa digs and Grandma's sowing. Fruits and veggies, weed is in the barn. Always plenty of time to play.
Tip number 5, when the work is done, play together.
Sweet on Grandpa's farm. Life is always sweet on Grandpa's farm.
And those are my 5 tips for family gardening. If you've got some great tips to share, comment below. We'd love to hear them. Bye!
Today.
For more fresh, healthy activities, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a healthy day!
Together today.